Taking a look at our bench plans, the seat runs from the back of the project to the front of the project, and we also have a small overhang on the front of the project. Based on our final dimension cut list, the seat needs to be a finished width of 18 1/4 inches. However, I do want to verify this measurement with my dry assembled project. Previously, we have glued up our side assemblies, so I can unclamp those and dry assemble my entire project. And with that rough assembly, I can verify my measurement. Right now my opening is a little bit over 17 1/4 inches. This is including my front and rear rails. The seat sits on these rails, so that will leave me with about an inch overhang on the front of my project, which will be perfect. And with my top having been glued up more than 24 hours ago, I can remove those clamps and hang them up. And any excess glue on your workpiece can be scraped off. Now, although I have previously jointed all of my edges, I do have clamp marred edges. This is where the clamps dug into the edge. I want to first clean up one edge on the joiner. I can then set the table saw to 1/16 over my finished measurement. And then come back and joiner off the mill marked edge from the table saw. And now our seat has a finished width of 18 1/4 inches.